Yo, got a story to tell. So, a couple summers ago, I think it was 17, I was talking to this chick down in North Carolina, chatting on Facebook, blah, 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 hitting it off. So, she comes up to West Virginia, where I'm at, and for the weekend, right? She brings her dog and all kinds of shit. So I tell her, bring your helmet, we'll go for a ride. We go out, we ride, beautiful time. Like, this is like August in West Virginia, man. You can ride for all day, all night in a t-shirt, you know what I mean? So everything's going great. Beautiful ride. Took her some real scenic routes because she didn't know the area, and